Hi, my name is Andy Roddick, and I'm doing this short video. It's going to be a very short video to introduce you to ATS 3732, Contemporary Debates in the Media. And what I want to do in this video is just go over the basic ideas, give you an introduction to the basic tasks that we're going to ask you to do. So you can return to this video if you want to, just to remind yourself of what it is you're supposed to be achieving in this unit. And this unit is very much about you. It's about encouraging you to take ideas that excite you, that interest you, and turn them into a real research project about the social impact of the media that you can use in your own professional development, that you can use to articulate who you are as a media researcher. So I suppose the overall goal of this unit is to teach you how to turn your interests into socially valuable research. So the first question you're going to have to ask yourself is, what do I enjoy about media research? What are the ideas about how media influence society that really excite me? But why does society need those ideas? Are there particular stakeholders? Are there people out there who really need to know about these ideas because their lives would in some way benefit from that knowledge? So that's the first idea. So the first idea is, as the little bubble says down here, we're turning your interest into socially valuable research. And that's a way of teaching society why society really needs media research. In week one, I'm going to be doing another short video that explains to you why it is that many societies are characterized by real skepticism about the value of media research. So the reality is that as a media researcher and as a media student, quite often you have to expend a lot of energy on explaining to other people, other skeptics, people who doubt the value of media research and researching the media and studying a media subject at university, why societies really stand to benefit from the sort of knowledge that we generate. So one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to help you explain why societies need media research, and we're going to help you find the answers to that. And really, you're going to be doing the work here because this is going to be done through a research project that you do yourself. And we're going to guide you through every step of what this means. So the first thing is in the first assignment, you're going to start off by just thinking about what interests you about media. What in particular are the ideas that have interested you about the role of media in society? And then, having identified that, we're going to help you enrich those ideas by deepening your reading and finding the right theories that help you explain why your idea is important in a more compelling manner. It's really important here. Theory isn't this kind of dry body of research that you just have to learn just because everyone has to learn it and it's just kind of something that everybody's expected to do. Theory is something that helps you enrich your story as a researcher. Don't think of yourself as a researcher. Think of yourself as a storyteller, someone with a story to tell. And the more sophisticated, the more complex your story is, the more interesting it is. And the important thing is that theory is a way to enrich your story in that way. Another important part, just as important as theory, is finding the right methods that put your idea into action. Somewhere in this semester, we're going to ask you to take all of these ideas that you've encountered and apply them to how media are working in social settings. And there, as we're going to encounter, there are a variety of different ways you can do this and a variety of different methods. There's all kinds of questions you can ask. There's all kinds of ways that you can answer those questions. There's no right or wrong way, but there is a way of making sure that your research question is suited to a method that really researches what it is you're interested in doing. And what we're going to be introducing you to are some resources that are going to help you find the right method. And we're going to be helping you to research methods, understand what they're there to do, and understand how you can tailor them to fit what it is you want to do as a researcher. How you can, again, use these things to help you tell the story that you want to tell. And then the final thing is that the previous two bubbles kind of go over what you're going to be doing in the first and second assignments, and there are more details about that elsewhere in some other videos that I'm doing. But the end point is having kind of written down your rough ideas on paper, having learned to develop those ideas through the right literature review and finding the right method. In the final assignment, what you'll be asked to do is actually complete a research project. Take your ideas and your methods, take them out into the field, talk to people, study media texts, look at people using media in particular contexts, whatever it is, and complete a research project that's directed at particular stakeholders. Find some knowledge about how people are engaging with media that you think can be targeted at a particular organization or group of people who would benefit from this knowledge. Why are we asking you to do this? This is part of your professional development. So when you're kind of sitting in that moment in front of an employer asking you why you did a media subject, you can reference this research project as a way of answering that question. So it's going to give you literally a line on the CV or a moment in an interview that could really make all the difference to your professional development. So again, the idea is that you're going to be doing a research project, but also all of the assignments and all of the workshops in particular in this unit are going to be carrying you all the way through from a rough idea, a kind of intro interest in media that you can't quite articulate, through to a completed project. And that's what this unit is about. And there are further details elsewhere on Moodle that you'll be following up in the first few weeks. But this, in a nutshell, is what the unit is about. So, welcome, and I look forward to working with you.